All right, so we're going to look at how to create a Google Doc and also how to move or save a current Google Doc into a different kind of document and place it in the folder that we created earlier. If you would, on the first home page, we're just in our class. If you go to modules, we're going to open up our first assignment, interest inventory. And this actually already has a link to a Google Doc that you'll open. When you click on it, it says make a copy. You want to make a copy of it. And so this copy is going to be located in your drive. Right now it says save to drive, but it doesn't tell you where. It's just in a open place. So it has all this information. You're going to fill that out later, but if you go File, and you can go to Move, okay, you can then put it in the place that you are wanting to put it. So first period sociology, first week, and I'm moving it there. So now that document is going to be there. I know where it's at. I'm also going to remove this copy of interest inventory up top so that now it just says interest inventory. And then put in my name. That way it is definitely mine. It's easy to find. It's in the folder that I need it. And it saves it as you go, so you don't have to worry about hitting file save or anything like that. It is saving it as I go, and I know exactly where it's going to be at. When you get done with this, you will go back to Canvas, be able to find the location and submit it. Now, what if you're just creating a new Google Doc? So if you go to docs.google.com, it will bring up where you can start a new Google Doc. You can hit blank, and when it comes up, it doesn't have a document title, it doesn't have a location, and you just want to save this as, we'll just do a blanket statement here and just say that this is an example of Google Doc. All right, if I go to File, I want to move that again, okay, and I can go to Hunter High School, first period sociology. It's in the first week, and now the example is now there too. So I don't have to finish these as I'm going. I can always go back to them. So even if I close it out, so this is my example. I've not saved it. I've not done any of that. But as you go, it says up there it's saving. As you go, it should be saving it. You just close that out. So now if I go back to my Google Drive, go back to 2020, 2021 Connor, first period, first week, and there is my example of Google Doc. And as you can see, this is my example has been saved. So all of your stuff will be saved and easy to find if you follow these simple directions.